So I was asked, what about the mechanical keyboards aimed for the ladies who love pink? Oh, here we go with the Royal Axe Proto Arc keyboard. Check this out. It's Y87. Now, as you can see here, it comes with 4 extra Gatoron G Pro 3.0 yellow switches. Well packaged. Oh my goodness, it's very heavy, which is great. So, and also look at this. You have slain. So let's check out this beauty right here. So the ladies, let's check out the yellow switch, the sound of them. Ooh, these are quiet. Oh, if you like quiet keyboards, there you go. Yellow switches right there. Look at this. Comes with that cool metal knob. But yeah, this is looking really cool. And it's hot swappable tri-mode as well. Check it out.